Local ICU doctors, emergency room, and hospital staff eagerly await the first shipments of the vaccine. KXAN's Jennifer Sanders spoke with frontline workers and the Texas Department of State Health Services about what it'll look like when those first doses arrive.
It's hard to have large numbers of patients where you are watching them die despite everything you do, and at times not able literally to do anything more for them.
Death has been a constant for ICU doctors like Jordan Weingarten. He works at Ascension Seton Medical Center in Central Austin. Just this week, Austin-Travis County surpassed a grim milestone: 500 lives lost to COVID-19.
As we have people of all ages, we have people in their 20s who are on life support, on ventilators, on artificial lung machines that we're trying to keep alive.
For many frontline workers, help can't come soon enough. Working in the ICU, Dr. Weingarten will be among the first in line to receive the COVID-19 vaccine. He hopes by next Friday.
I have a 13-member group that take care of COVID patients in ICU, and 100% of us are signing up for the vaccine.
There are about 1.6 million of those healthcare workers in Texas. So it'll take a few weeks to get those folks vaccinated. And of course, there may be 300,000 or a few more long-term care residents.
State Health Services expects to see vaccines arrive in our area by early next week. Many doses are already in shipping warehouses, set to be sent out within 24 hours of approval. The state already working on approval for who is next in line to get the vaccine.
Our allocation panel is working right now to determine, okay, what are those next groups going to look like? I can tell you it'll be some, it will be people who are at higher risk.
I mean, we're obviously at high risk for exposure. We have patients with COVID-19 all the time that we're taking care of. And if we get sick, we can't take care of our patients.
In Austin, Jennifer Sanders, KXAN News.
State health officials say everyone who gets the vaccine will have a shot record with the type of vaccine they received and when they should get a second dose. The state's helping local hospitals with supplies like needles and syringes if needed. Tonight, St. David's told us that it expects to receive the first shipment of the Pfizer vaccine from the state early next week. Hospital employees who provide direct care to infected patients will be first in line. Baylor Scott and White told us it'll begin vaccinating frontline caregivers who've opted in as soon as next week. It intends to accommodate every caregiver who's interested. A Gallup poll released Tuesday shows 63% of Americans are willing to get a COVID-19 vaccine. That's an improvement from September, when about half those surveyed said they'd get it. We did our own informal poll to get a sense for how people in Central Texas are leaning. We asked KXAN viewers for their thoughts on our website. Right now, 83% of respondents said they'd get the vaccination. About 10% say they wouldn't. 6% say they're not sure. The U.S. government